World Surf League competitors Courtney Conlon and Malia Manuel are no strangers to adventure. And they know the only way to reach the best waves is in the legendary Jeep Wrangler.
Wow, it's so nice and sunny today. Yeah, we should take the top off the Wrangler and watch the waves. Today,
They're here to show you how to remove the hardtop from the Jeep Wrangler and maximize your sunshine intake.
Such a nice day. I can't wait to take the top off. Watch your fingers. I'm going to roll down the windows.
Start by removing 2 panels atop the front of the Wrangler.
L. Yeah, I know.
With just a few quick twists, they free the 2 panels that make up the front of the roof.
Gosh, you're so good at that one. Quicker than you. Yeah. One more lever. You ready?
Once removed, the panels should be handled and stored with care.
Careful, don't drop it in the sand.
Or scratch the paint.
It's easier if we put the seats down.
The next step is to loosen the bolts that attach the rear section of the hardtop. This step requires use of a Torx tool.
Courtney, can you grab that torque wrench?
Definitely.
Thanks.
This looks awesome.
There are 6 or 8 Torx screws to remove, depending on whether your Wrangler has 2 or 4 doors.
Oh yeah, we should keep that door 3/4 of the way open.
Keep the rear swing gate partially open for easier removal.
Don't forget the screw on the top. That's our last step.
Remove the screws on top of the roof last. Before you can lift and remove the hardtop, there are 2 final components to disconnect.
Can't forget the wire in the back.
The Wrangler even has built-in storage compartments, so you always have the loose parts with you.
This compartment's rad, so you won't lose any of these. Ready to lift the top off?
Yeah.
And now for the moment of truth.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Having a friend on hand makes this final step much easier. Remember, whatever the weather, you're never more than a few steps away from changing out your Wrangler's roof to match.